Hello everyone, my name is Amber and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis. So get your guitar ready and let's jump into today's tutorial. Right, so for the basics of this song today, we're going to need to make sure our guitar is in standard tuning, and we are not going to need a capo for this lesson. So the chords that we're going to be needing for today's lesson, we have a C major chord, we have a G major, next we have A minor, we have an E7 chord, which is just like a normal E major with our ring finger lifted up off the strings. We also have an F major 7 over C chord. You can also just play a regular F major 7. But I'm going to be using an F major 7 over C. We're also going to need an F major bar chord. And this is going to pop up in our pre-chorus. So for our F major bar chord, we're going to have all our fingers down on the strings for this one. And then we need an F minor bar chord. And all we need to do is take our middle finger off of the strings for our F minor chord shape. So we're going to start off by learning the strumming pattern that is used in the majority of the song. And one round of the strumming pattern is going to sound like this. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And what I'm going to ask you to try and do is to emphasize the third down strum. 1, 2, 3. So you're really wanting to bring that third strum out. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a. So practice that now on muted strings before jumping into the next part of today's tutorial. The intro of the song is pretty straightforward. As you can see with the chords up on the screen, we're going to have 2 C major chords and we're going to have 2 F chords. Now for the intro, I like to use the F major 7 over C chord. But again, this is completely up to you. You can also use the bar chord if you prefer. Now for every chord you see up on the screen, you're going to allocate one round of the strumming pattern. So the intro is going to sound something like this. So we have one round of the pattern on C, down, 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 up. We repeat it again. We're then going to change that F chord, down, 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 up, and we repeat it one more time. Next up, we are going to be looking at the verse of the song, and this section of the song has quite a long chord sequence. So you're going to want to use the chords up on the screen to help you through learning this section. So we're going to be starting on a C major chord, then we're moving on to a G major, A minor is next, to our E7 chord. We then have an F major, and for this one I'll be using the F major 7 chord. We then have G and to C. Now every single chord up to that point is going to get the strumming pattern down, 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 up. The pattern that we've previously learned. Down, 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 up. And the last 2 chords you can see up on screen are between brackets, the A minor and the G chord. And this is the only time in the song that the strumming pattern is going to change. And what we're going to be doing is each chord is going to get the strumming pattern down, down, up. So A minor will get down, down, up, and the G will get down, down, up. So let's do a quick demo playing through the chords used in the verse, starting on that C major chord. It's going to sound like this. A 1, 2, ready, and down, 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 up to G, A minor, E7, F, G, C, if we play that through one more time with a little bit of singing for context, this is what the verse is going to sound like. A 1, 2, here we go. C to the G of your A minor, don't you E7 to the F, G to the C, A minor, G. C said that G never A minor, but the E7 to F, G, back to C, A minor, G. And this is going to lead us really nicely into the pre-chorus. If you are enjoying the lesson with me today, which I really hope you are, please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. This really helps me out. It notifies YouTube that people are actually enjoying my lessons, and so it shows my lessons to more people, so more people can come and join the Stellar Guitarist community. Now, if you are wanting to further your guitar journey and really hone in your skills and become a super stellar guitarist, then click the link below this video and go check out one of my courses. I have a beginner guitar course as well as an intermediate guitar course. So there is something for everyone. Go check it out, and I really hope to welcome you into one of my programs. Right, let's get back into the lesson today. So let's look at the pre-chorus next. We are going to have our F major chord, and for this section I'm going to suggest that you're using an F major bar chord, because after we've played our F major, we're going to be playing an F minor, and all we need to do for that is lift up our middle finger. And then we're going to be going to our C major chord for 2 rounds. Now that chord sequence gets repeated 3 times in the song. We're going to be going from an F to an F minor to a C, repeats again, F to the F minor to the C, and one more time, F chord to the F minor to the C chord for 2 rounds. Next, what we're going to have, 2 rounds of the G major chord. We then have E7 for 2 rounds. And then lastly, we have A minor, going to a G chord, to an F, and by this stage I'm going back to the F major 7 over C chord, and we play that twice. And then we have 4 rounds of the G chord. 2, 3, 4. And every single chord in the pre-chorus is going to get our pattern down, 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 up. So let's do a quick demo of the pre-chorus, starting on that F major bar chord. A 1, 2, ready, and down, 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 up, switch, and to the C, repeat the C, back to F, F minor, and to the C chord. Last time we have F to the F minor and to the C, G for 2 rounds, E7 for 2 strumming patterns, and A minor to the G, to your F chord, F again, and G, 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 and G again. So let's look at that pre-chorus again with some singing, starting on the F major bar chord. A 1, 2, ready, and F to the F minor to the C, 'cause you F the brains, I F minor to the C chord, C again, F outside, F times in C, the G chord up to the G and E7 and E7 again, A minor to the G chord and F, F and G, G, and one more time. And lastly, we have the chords used in the chorus, which are almost identical to the chords from the verse. So all you need to do is follow along with the chords up on the screen to help you keep on track. So we will do a quick playthrough of the chorus next. And what we're going to be doing is playing that chord sequence for 3 rounds. So the chorus is going to sound something like this. Starting on the C major. A 1, 2, ready, and C, G to A minor, E7 to F, the G chord on C, A minor, G, C, G, A minor, E7, on to F, G, I heard you C, G, A minor, E7, F, G, C, A minor, G. And that leads us back into another verse. So there you have it, everyone. Those are the main sections of this amazing song. So if you're ready to join me for a play along, then make sure you have your guitar ready, and that play along is going to be coming up next. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you'd never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. You said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. Gonna start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. So that is how you play Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis. I really hope that you enjoyed this lesson today. If you did, don't forget to like this video. And if you enjoyed this lesson, then I know you're going to love the lesson being suggested to you on the screen. So until next time, I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.